All right, welcome to Mr. Black Unboxed, where we do the unboxing experience for you. Kind of like an unedited, sometimes edited when it's just, something that would take 10 minutes that you don't need to see. So this is the Osmo Action 6. Now notice they dropped the Pro name, which I am happy that they did, because they went from all like their Action, Action 2, Action 3, Action 4, then they're like Action 5 Pro, and it was a bit weird. Action 6, good move though. Amazing looking camera. This actually might be the vlogging action cameras of all vlogging action cameras. So let's jump into it and do the unboxing experience, and hit that subscribe button if you like that kind of stuff. I don't know why I did that, because I don't usually put any graphics on here, so don't hit anything. And yeah, stay tuned for some live streams looking at this and talking about it. And cool. On the back here, it tells you the feature, or the specs here. We have a 1/1.1 inch sensor, CMOS sensor. This is a huge square sensor. Gonna be amazing for low light, but also it gives you that variable aperture. Cold resistant, 4-hour battery life. It's got built-in storage, 50 gigabytes, 20 meters waterproof. That's huge. And it connects to up to 3 DJI microphones, which is amazing. So, this opens very differently than what I was thinking. There we go. So, we got boxes and the selfie stick. So this is the adventure combo, I should add. And I love their selfie sticks. You just pull them out, you don't have to twist them. Let's get the accessories here before we look at the actual camera. Or is this the camera? This is the camera. That's funny. It's so small and lightweight. I actually thought it was just going to be the cords and stuff. So here is the camera. Look at this, Action 6. This actually might be my new favorite camera. I just from the specs, this is amazing. So let's pull this thing off right here. Okay. And here it is. Look at that. You know what I like to do sometimes for my main channel videos is you have like this. I don't want to lose the opportunity to do this. So I'd put this out, maybe do a zoom in here like that, so you guys get a little bit of behind the scenes. So put this out, so we'll go like that. Let's see, like that, and then grab, and then I take that there and go 6. So that's kind of how I do that shot, with some clever editing, of course. So this is telling you where the charging point is here. I can take that off. Similar design to the other ones, although I don't remember them having these, showing you how to open that up, which is very clever. Oh, they got one of those moisture absorbing things here. Look at, see, it's hard to get out. Okay, same magnetic base down there. Big button. This is new too. That's like a sensor, I think, right there in the front. But let's get to the other stuff here. Maybe we'll turn this thing on. Usually you have to like sign in to the app, but you can have like maybe 6 goes before. All right, so they actually give you 2 different magnetic bases. Ugh, man, this plastic is tough. All right, so here's your, put this on your good old selfie stick mount. It goes like that. Now, did they make this? Oh, I love it. So before, you can only have it one way. I like that they have it both ways, because man, you just don't want to be fumbling around with that. So thank you, DJI, for that. If there's anything, that's my favorite update to that. So here's another one here. They also give you an adhesive mount for like a helmet or something. They give you their battery pack, fast charging battery pack too, and I think it's reversible, where you can use the batteries that are in there, where you have 3 to like charge other devices, and it's got a spot for your micro SD cards up there. So we'll pull one of these out, just turn it on. They also give you action mounting screws for the devices. You get your documents and your cool new DJI stickers that look like that. And a charging or data cable right there. Data transfer cable. Let's pop it on. Let's turn it on and see what it's like. First go. Power right here. So you have a screen on the front, touch screen on the front, I should mention. Let's go on the back here. So you guys get to see what it's like here. So start, there's a guide. Shutter record button, we already know that, cool. Swipe to different shooting modes. It's funny that they're giving, there you go. No, we'll go that way. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. So we already know all of that. Tap, so basically it gives you your double tap to switch to lossless zoom. Okay. That's in 1080p, of course. Okay. Similar situation. What is this? This is rotate. Okay, because it's got that square on there. So now you can use different aspect ratios. You can do auto, portrait, or landscape. But with a square, you can actually just change it up how you want. Up to 4K, 120 frames per second, which is what you're used to seeing. I typically will shoot 4K 60. You have a standard D-warp, natural wide, a wide, and ultra wide. I think that might be new. One of these is new. There's never usually 4. Rock steady, horizon balance, and horizon steady. This will keep the horizon locked no matter what. Horizon balancing has a little bit of a crop, and then rock steady plus, just more balance, and then rock steady is the normal one. So double tap to lossless in it. That's even in 4K as well, so that's pretty good. Double tap out. It's always good to have a... Alright, this is going to be cool. Film tone. You can add film tones on here, which is, wow, that's cool. And you can add the percentage of that film tone. Sorry, I didn't mean to go through all of this right now, but this is cool. Variable aperture. That's where you can change up your aperture from like f2 to f4, or you can make it fixed, which gives you more of a blurry background, or just everything, or you can do an auto in between certain ones there. So we'll keep it there for now, auto. You can set it on daily or sport for stabilization scenario. And even, go into Pro up here, and you can go through more. You 10-bit color, exposure, and you can even adjust the microphones for wind reduction and stuff like that. But we'll take that off for now. Photo, so photo, video, super night. Subject tracking, slow. I've never really understood subject tracking on here because it's not like this thing turns. It just kind of maybe zooms in a little bit and keeps you in frame by cropping it in. So I'm not, yeah. It's not for me, but it could be for someone else. There you have it. This is it. So if I swipe to unlock, let's see. So you have your screen on the front, touch screen, all that stuff. And yeah, there you have it. That's it. Action 6. It's gonna be a lot of fun to play with, make some vlogs, all of that stuff, travel with, and stay tuned for more. That's the unboxing experience of this Action 6 Adventure Combo. Thanks so much for watching.